I'm extremely excited to present a beautiful, much-loved family home in the heart of Aspley. The home has been fully renovated with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and 2 garage spaces with side access. I'm Dan De Silva and this is 24 Ben Lomond Street, Aspley. Let's check it out. With a deck out the front and a huge rear deck overlooking the pool, your summer is going to be picture perfect when you buy this home. Sitting on a large 607 square metre block, this home is the perfect opportunity for those growing families. The location is second to none, with walking distance to Aspley State School, short drive to Craigsley State School, and a short stroll to Aspley Hypermarket. Fully renovated homes in this market do not come around often. So if you have any questions or would like to arrange an inspection, feel free to give me a call. Cheers.